Guys, may GPS ako ha. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit dito ako dinala ng GPS ko. Tingnan nyo. Guys, ay hala, patay tayo. Wala na naman, oh. Saan ba ako dadalhin ito? Okay guys, hindi ko alam kung saan tatawid. Sabi nyo guys, nandito ako sa mga kawalan. Ay nako, I'm so excited kasi marami ako mga customers na bumabalik sa akin. Kaya nandito na naman tayo sa mga, nako ang layo-layo, tingnan nyo to. Mais ang nasa harap. Ayan, ayan, ayan yung planta. Ayan guys yung planta. Sobrang busy po tong lugar na to. Ayan, sobrang busy ng lugar. Nagpapatintiro ako dyan sa mga sasakyan. Sabi ko sa customer ko, I'm confused. Sabi ko, I'm confused. Saan ba ako magpa-park? Saan ba yung entrance ko? Kasi kasi I'm competing with the 10-wheeler. Natawa sa akin. Sabi niya, kahit saan, basta safe. Loko-loko. Ayun, so binigyan ko sila ng ng Gatorade sticks. Alam nyo guys, kasi sobrang init ngayon. Isa yan sa mga pakonsuelo de bubo ko sa mga customers. Kahit na hindi sila bumibili, you know, you think of them, and that way you are like, you know, yung parang iniisip nila, you know, I'll go with Angie because she thinks of me, or she thinks of us. You know, it's not just like I'm there para kumuha ng order nila, or I'm there para sa lang, para pang orders lang, but I'm here to support you guys whether you're buying or you're not. So ganyan po ang ating style. Hindi po tayo pushy, but very thoughtful po tayo. Then malaki po ang return niyan sa akin. So ayan, so he was so appreciative. Nagbibigyan ko siya ng 8 pirasong Gatorade sticks. And I said, since it's gonna be so hot, I want you to have some electrolytes. Natawa sa akin. Sabi niya, is that how you feel? Sabi ko, oh yeah. So ayan, so nakita niyo tong cooling sleeve ko. Sabi niya, saan mo yan binibili? Sabi ko, bili mo sa akin. Kasi binibenta ko yan. Oh, ayan, pang protection ko sa init. Di ba guys? Balik tayo. Uwi na tayo kung saan tayo paparoon kasi hindi ko alam kung may naapakan. Hindi ko alam kung may naapakan ako. Talagang low air lang talaga. Ayan. Gusto kong umalis yan para lalabas ako kasi natatakot akong masagasaan. Saan kayang exit ko nito? Naalala ko tuloy noon yung exit ko is doon. Doon ang exit ko. Ayan. We'll see. Guys, I'll see you next time. Guys, may GPS ako ha. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit dito ako dinala ng GPS ko. Tingnan nyo. Guys, puro kamaisan, walang tao, walang bahay, paminsan. Parang paisa-isa yung bahay. Bakit ba dito ako dinala ng aking GPS? Hindi naman ito ang gusto ko. Hindi naman ito ang dinaanan ko. Iniba yung rota ko. Ayan, puro maisa.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto O'Brien Road.
Tingnan natin kung may tao na yung O'Brien na yan. Ayan o. Low air pa naman na po.
Take the next right onto O'Brien Road, ayan. Then turn left onto Holt Road.
Oh, ang ingay ng ating GPS. Ako dinala. Ay hala, patay tayo. Wala na naman o. Saan ba ako dadalhin ito? Ayan. Wala talagang kabahay-bahay. Ang alam ko nung pagkakaintindi ko nung nakaraan, yung ilang minuto lang mayroon na akong gas station na nakikita. Ito wala. Loko-loko tong Google.
Take the next left onto Holt Road.
Left daw. Sige, magle-left tayo. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys
Continue on Holt Road for 3 miles.
3 miles guys, parang walang tao. Ano ba yan? Hindi naman ito ang dinaanan ko earlier eh. Ay naku po. Pinagtripan ako ng Google ko guys. Yung Google Map ko, pinagtripan ako. Tingnan nyo to. Ang ganda pa naman ng view pero natatakot ako kasi low air ako. Kunti lang ng mga bahay. Ay nako. Ayan, yung ating struggle. Alam nyo, yung init, it feels like 100 degree. Sobrang init talaga. Ang ganda oh. Puro mais tsaka puro beans. Ano pa ba to? 3 miles pa. 3 miles away pa yung ating dadaanan. Eh, gusto ko makarating ng ano, ng gas station. Guys, wala talagang bahay. O, tingnan nyo to oh. Dito ako dinala ng aking GPS. Then yung aking gas pa naman is nasa 1/4 na lang. Baka mamaya ma-stranded ako dito. 40 minutes pa daw bago ako makarating kung saan ang gusto kong puntahan. Ano ba yun? Ay, meron na. May mga... Ay, iniwas ako guys. Iniwas ako sa highway. Loko-lokong GPS to ah. Doon dapat ako sa highway oh. Doon. Bakit ako dito dinala? Doon ang gusto ko. Doon. Yun. Doon. Sa may highway ang gusto ko. Bakit dito ako dinala? Iniwas ako sa highway ng aking GPS. Hindi yung gusto ko. Ay, naku, mag-aaway tayo. Google Map eh. Doon. Patay. Hala, hanapin natin yung highway guys. Punta ako doon. He's so happy. I'm in another location again guys. This was my previous account and the same thing. Make them happy and they will start buying. Yep, that should be it. That should be our day today, and I am off to go back to the store and call off. It's really hot. See, I was sweating for 5 minutes outside. This is my job guys. I'll be in between these trucks all the time and I have to find my way out all the time. So especially in the entrance, I have to give them away all the time or give them signal before I can just run, you know, the street, because these people has like, they have, you know, their control is low. While we can brake that fast, they can't. So I have to be careful getting out in here. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Have a good day. Farmer Tom channel is the best channel in all of YouTube. Forever and always good. Yes, I am sure. No, I'm not changing my mind. And no takebacks until the end of time.
What could it be?
I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. Is it, no, I'm not gonna ruin the surprise. I have a feeling it's probably not the thing I'm thinking about.
Oh my god, babe!
Eric?
Oh. Hey, I technically have been asking for it.
And then what's next in there? Check in the box.
Just leaves.
That's what you've always wanted. It's a quality of life issue.
Yeah.
Did it trick you?
Kinda. I halfway expected.
What did you ask for?
I was thinking it was a 3D pen or something because I did technically ask for that.
You feel frustrated?
Not really.
Okay.
I feel like Tommy would do something like this. Wow, so amazing.
Don't open it. Don't open
Yeah,
it.
open it.
Okay, I'll open it. Because that's what Tommy said to do. That's what I've always wanted.
Are you crazy, Lovey Dovey?
Wow, it's such... Wow.
Isn't that what you've always wanted?
Yeah, it is. Very.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're laughing.
It's so amazing. This is better than
I think you should start. I think you should start a light bulb collection.
yeah. And sell it for money in the future. Wow, old vintage light bulbs selling for 10 quadrillion McNuggets.
I love you, Lovey Dovey.
I pick up the garbage and throw it away.
Hello, guys. Ay, Melo, stay away! Loko-loko tong Melo. Ayaw umalis, oh. Nasa driveway ko. Aalis po tayo. Bibili ako ng, bibili ako ng mantika. Alam nyo, guys, nawalan ako ng mantika. Magluluto ako ng banana cake. So, kulang yung mantika natin, kaya tatakbo tayo. Nagbabay ako kay Melo. Bye! Tignan niyo sila, oh. Ayan, ah. Na-training ni Tommy si Melo na walang leash. Ang problema sa kanya, dun siya tumatay sa kapitbahay namin. Hindi po sa aming bakuran, kundi sa ibang bakuran po siya. Kaya nakakahiya. Sabi naman ng may-ari, okay lang daw. Sino ba naman okay niyan? Ayan, takbo tayo ng Jewel. Para kumuha tayo ng mantika, para maluto ko na yung banana cake ko. Then, alam nyo guys, balak ko nang gumawa ng sabon ulit. Dati, nung nasa Nevada ako, yun yung negosyo ko. Yung parang naging hobby ko, na naging negosyo ko. I was doing craft shows in the past. And I think it's time to go back to my passion. Para kumita tayo ng extra, guys. Kasi alam mo, may estudyante na tayo. Kailangan ko magbayad ng 93,000 sa tuition fee ng first semester ng anak ko sa Cebu. So sabi ko sa kanya, pwede makapag-antay? Pwede ka makapag-antay? Sa ano ka na pumunta ng Cebu sa 27? Kasi yung dormitory nila, opening nila, pwede siya mag-move in ng August 1st. Then, kukuha po siya ng bibili po siya ng kanyang PE uniform. Then magpapatahi po kami ng uniform niya. Ang requirement po is 5 pair in a week, then 2 PE uniform. Yung dormitory po niya ay bayad na ng 2 months advance, and yung tuition fee niya is 93,000. Kailangan ko magbayad ng about 40%. And then ano pa ba, kailangan kong bumili ng mini fridge sa kanyang dormitory, bili ng either microwave or air fryer. So kailangan ko guys ng extra income. So ang iniisip ko, marami akong gamit sa paggawa ng sabon. May mga ingredients ako. Mayroon pa akong shea butter na natira. So I'm thinking of making soap again, yung natural na mga soap. Then yung mga cream na ginawa ko noon sa Vegas na gustong-gusto ng mga tao nung mag-trade show ako. I'm trying to do that again para may income na, may extra income tayo kasi so nakakahiya po guys na puro si Tommy na lang ang ating aasahan. Taste for taste.
Scour the internet because I knew that if I took the truck into the dealer, more than likely, especially the first time, they're just going to clear the code and say, you know, keep driving and see if it comes back. And so that's exactly what I did. I made note of the code, made note of the mileage, the date, and that I kept on driving. Of course, I researched it in the meantime, and there's just tons of different possibilities. Other ones that got the same code, although a lot of them that I read got other codes associated with it, had a lot more miles. So I just kept driving the truck, and then about 400 miles later, the check engine light came on again and again. It was the same error code, the P24. Exhaust pressure fails to reach the desired level. If the PCM detects that the regeneration process has not occurred within the desired degree of regularity, a 59 error code will be stored. Like I said, I got the code once initially, cleared it out, and miles later,
it is not so sweet.
And so that's when I started to really dive in deep and research what I should do.
Stop begging.
Partially responsible for, in hopes that if you're an owner of this same engine and you're getting the same error code similar to mine, the P2459, maybe this will help you. Again, guys, I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just sharing what worked for me. So the first thing, it's a shorter, round trip where usually under 30 minutes the engine is off, and so that's one downside. That if I'm engine, and obviously, like I said, diesel engines, they like to run hot. We all know that. And I knew my trips were shorter, and so I thought, well, if I'm going to be, running in and out somewhere 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Hello video, welcome back to the...
Include any of that.